Today I'll be showing you how to make garlic sauteed spinach with bell peppers and onions. It's a nice recipe to try. The first step is to get your onions, chop it up to small bite sizes. Then get your garlic, do the same, chop it up to small sizes as well. And then you get your bell pepper. You can use mixed bell peppers or just any bell pepper that you want in this dish. Get some frozen spinach. You can use fresh spinach if you want. I'll be using 2 frozen spinach, tarred, drained and dried up, so that way my dish will not be too wet. And then I will be adding salt, grounded red pepper. You can add grounded black pepper, some chicken bouillon, that's optional. Then some lemon juice actually. So get the pan, get some olive oil, saute the onions, saute the mixed bell peppers, saute the garlic, and then add your frozen spinach. Add your seasoning, this pepper, salt, and then towards the end, after everything's been cooked, you can add your lemon juice at the end and serve. Easy recipe you can use as a side dish, or you can eat it like that. Very nice, less than 15 minutes recipe to try at home. Comment below if you're going to be trying something like this, and please like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.